Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Google Pixel 10 XL. Yeah, for that you will need the buttons You will need the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just to short together and you're having here a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can share the screenshot directly, or here with the pen you can edit the screenshot. Let me show it one more time. The power button and the volume down button together. And then you will have here the screenshot. Tap now here on the pen if you want to edit something. First of all, you can here crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. And with this pen here, you can draw also something here inside, or mark something. Here you can change the colors and so on. Don't forget to tap later here on the checkbox and tap here on save, because just then it is part of your photos. And apropos photos, where are your screenshots? Let us check here. And the regular photos you have done with your camera, so you can't see the screenshots. You need to go always here to the collections, and here are an own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something out. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.